How to recover deleted TikTok messages. So if you want to recover your deleted TikTok messages, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your TikTok application. Now, once you open up your TikTok, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Now, under your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy. Now, under settings and privacy, you need to go with account option. Under account, you will have download your data. Tap on download your data. And you need to select the data that you would like to download. So if you want to recover your deleted TikTok messages, then you just need to simply tap on select data to download and tap on custom. And after that, select messages and then go with done and tap on request data, which is on the bottom. You can also choose the file format, which is TXT or JSON. So go with request data. Once you go with request data, it will request your data to TikTok, and within a few hours, you will have your data ready to download. So once you requested, you need to go with download data section, which is on the right side, and here you will have your requested download. So you just need to simply tap on download and your data will be downloaded. So that's how you can recover your deleted TikTok messages. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.